Hello, grade 8 again. Today we will make revision about Pythagoras theorem. Okay. In the opposite figure, XYZL is quadrilateral, in which measure of angle Y equal measure of angle L equal 90 degree, and XY equal 7 centimeter, YZ equal 24 centimeter, XL equal 15 centimeter. Okay. Find the length of XZ and LZ. So here we have two triangle. First triangle is what? First triangle is XYZ. This triangle XYZ is right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. So here we can say XZ to the power 2 equal 7 to the power 2 plus 24 to the power 2. Okay, and it will be 625. So we will take square root to both sides. So here square root to xz to the power 2 will be equal square root of 625. So xz here will be equal what? Will be equal 25. XZ will be equal 25. So here the third length in this triangle is 25. Now we will talk about the other triangle, which is XLZ. This triangle is what? Is right angle triangle at angle L. So we can say the length of missing side, which is length of LZ to the power 2, will be equal difference between two sides, which is XZ to the power 2 minus LX to the power 2 minus LX to the power 2. So it will be 625 minus 225. It will be 400. So the length of LZ will be equal what? Length of LZ will be equal square root of 400. It will be equal 20. It will be equal 20 centimeter. Okay? 20 centimeter. Okay, let's look to the other example here. In the opposite figure, measure of angle B equal measure of angle ACD. Measure of angle B equal measure of angle ACD equal 90. So these two triangles are right angle triangle. Length of AB equal 12. Length of BC equal 9. Length of DC equal 20. Find the length of AC and AD. Okay, so here also we have two triangles, which is triangle what? Triangle ABC. This triangle is what? Is right angle triangle. So the length of missing side, which is AC, which is the greatest side in triangle, equal what? Equal 12 to the power 2 plus 9 to the power 2. It will be equal 144 plus 81. 144 plus 81. It will be equal 225. So here 225. So the length of this side equal what? Square root of 225, and it will be 225, it will be 15. So the length of AC equal 15 centimeter. Okay, now let's look to the other triangle here. Other triangle here is what? Triangle ACD. This triangle is what? Is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle at angle C. So the length of AD to the power 2 equal what? Equal 20 to the power 2 minus 15 to the power 2. It will be equal 400 minus 225. 400 minus 225. Okay, it will be equal 175. So here the length of the third side AD equal square root of 175. Okay, now let's look to the other example here. In the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle B equal 90, D belong to AB, and AD equal 11 centimeter, BC equal 12 centimeter, BC equal 13 centimeter. Here we need to find what? Find the length of each BD and AC. BD, the length of BD, and the length of AC. Okay, BD and AC. Measure of angle B equal 90, B belong to AB, AD equal 11. Okay, AD equal 11 centimeter and BC equal 12 centimeter. So here we will talk about two triangle also. Okay, first triangle here is what? DBC triangle, this smallest triangle, DBC. This triangle is what? Is right angle triangle. At what? At B. Okay, so here what we have? We have the length of hypotenuse and the length of one side of right angle. Okay, so here we can say the length of DB to the power 2 will be equal 13 to the power 2 minus 12 to the power 2. 13 to the power 2 minus 12 to the power 2. Okay. It will be equal 169. 169 minus 144. Minus 144. By using your calculator, you can find the result. Okay, it will be equal 25. So the length of this part or this length, which is DB equal square root of 25, it will be equal 5. So this part equal 5 centimeter. Now we can find the length of what? The length of AC. Now we can find the length of AC. So AC to the power 2 will be equal 11 plus 5 equals 16. 16 to the power 2 plus 12 to the power 2. Okay, so the length of AC will be equal square root of 16 to the power 2 plus 12 to the power 2, and you can find the result by using your calculator. Okay, now let's look to the other example here. In the opposite figure, DE parallel to YZ, measure of ZDE equal 50 degree. Measure of YXZ equal 105. Find the measure of angle Z. We can find the measure of angle Z, measure of angle Y. Okay, so here from the first given, which is parallel relation between DE and YZ. So since there is parallel relation between DE and YZ, so we can say measure of angle D will be equal the measure of angle Z. Equal what? Equal 50 degree. Why? Because these two angles are alternate angle in the form of Z. Two alternate angle in the form of Z. If there is parallel relation between one transversal cut this two parallel line segment, so there is two alternate angle are equal in measure. Okay, so the measure of angle D will be equal measure of angle Z. Okay, also here we have also angle DX, angle DXZ equal what? Equal 180, because it's what? Straight angle. So the measure of adjacent angle, okay, which is angle DXY equal 180 minus 150, and it will be 30 degree. So this part also equal 30 degree. Okay, okay. So here angle Z equal 50. Now we need to find angle Y, because the sum of all interior angle in each triangle equal 180. So we can say, since sum of all interior angle in each triangle equal 180, so equal 180, so we can say here, we can say measure of angle Y equal 180 minus 150 minus 150 105, sorry, 105